there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable noise cancelling on your JBL TuneFlex. Let's get started. So basically, there's two ways how to do it. The first one is via the JBL Headphones app. For that, we would need to click on our headphones and here enable this function which is named Ambient Sound Control. As you can see, currently I have enabled the noise cancelling, and also on this app you can choose the level of noise cancelling from 1 to 6. But if you would like to disable the noise cancelling, simply change it to Ambient Aware or Talk Through. And the second way is that we would need to wear these headphones, and then with our two fingers we would need to touch the sensors on both of the earbuds. So the sensor is located right here. Now let's test it. So I will switch it to the Ambient Aware, wear the headphones and touch the sensors. And as you can see, I can easily switch between the modes with the help of the sensors. This is especially useful because you don't need to pull out your phone to switch the mode. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.